back to our next module, where we dive into the fascinating world of consumer decision making. Today's lecture will focus on the very first step in the process, problem recognition. This is the initial stage of consumer decision making process, where a consumer realizes they have an unmet need or want. It is the spark that ignites the entire buying journey, prompting them to seek a solution that will satisfy their desires. This realization can be triggered by various factors. Internal stimuli. These are the physiological or psychological cues that arise from within us, such as hunger, thirst, boredom, or a desire for change. For example, feeling hungry might trigger the need to eat, while boredom might spark the desire for entertainment. External stimuli. These are the cues from our environment, such as advertisement, recommendation from friends, or simply seeing a product that catches our eye. Marketers often use external stimuli to create awareness of their products and services, hoping to spark the problem recognition stage in potential customers. Problem recognition can occur in various ways. Need recognition. This happens when our actual state falls below our desired state. For instance, we might realize our old phone is no longer functioning properly, creating a need for a new one. Opportunity recognition. This happens when our desired state rises above our actual state. We might see a new product that promises to improve our lives in some way, creating a desire for something we didn't even know we wanted. The intensity of the problem recognition can vary significantly. Some problems are minor and easily resolved, while others are more pressing and require immediate attention. The urgency of the problem will often influence the speed and thoroughness of the subsequent decision-making stages. Once the problem is recognized, consumers move to the next stage of the decision-making process, information search, where they seek out potential solutions to their problem. This is where marketers play a crucial role, providing relevant information and highlighting the benefits of their products or services. Understanding the problem recognition stage is essential for businesses. By recognizing the different triggers and types of problem recognition, marketers can tailor their marketing messages and product offerings to appeal to customers at this critical juncture in the decision-making process. In our next lecture, we'll delve into the information search stage, exploring how customers gather information and evaluate different options before making a purchase decision.